We're just gonna do a quick little walk through here, back to the garden. Peace, peace, and love. Peace and love. All right, we'll flip this around. Sometimes you never know where you get random seeds at. Over here in the strawberries, but tomato. Here's one tomato. Looks like we gotta take out a bunch of weeds. Never really went through here. Tomato, tomato. No, that's nothing. A couple tomatoes. There's one over there I gotta pick out and transplant. Oh man, just some more spots where some random vegetables are popping up. Imagine if you just threw your seeds out in your yard or your gardening area all winter. You're just gonna randomly have vegetables for the next season start popping up. You just have to take care of them. Real quick, here's our thornless blackberry bush. Doing real good this summer. Trimmed it back a little bit. Now we're gonna walk through Grandma's area. Grandma's area first. She likes the bucket. She likes using buckets. She always does really well every summer. She'll start them up there and then grind them up and then start doing her little extensions, stretch all her cucumbers and stuff. The peppers. Come over here. It's my raised bed area. Now this one here I left empty for a reason, and what ended up happening is every summer come back here when I rototill the ground, the area around the outside and all the overspill. I always water, extra water when you get these randoms. The natives, like this tomato was just grown randomly. I wasn't planting it or anything. It's just a random seed that we throw our junk tomatoes and everything out, popping up. Another one popped up there a couple days ago. I had a few watermelons and pop up randomly out here. Like that. I believe that is a cucumber, or yeah, cucumber. That cucumber popped up like over here. Just transplanted it there. Same with that tomato. I planted that tomato. There's I believe a watermelon seed just randomly popping up there. I gotta move it later. That watermelon popped up randomly. Oh, we got some. Let me see what else we got. Yeah, I take a lot of topsoil and just repot this area. Just threw it in here, ran. Where do we got? All right, there's something popping up. Just, two of them here popped up on the edge. More of the blackberry bush. A little blackberry thornless popping up here. Probably let it get another foot long, dig it up, give it away or something. Everybody likes those thornless. Artichoke taking off this summer. Peas and beans, got some kale, I believe, lemongrass. Some chickens. She's hiding. Cilantro or lettuce. We had the watermelon popped up in here randomly, and I had to dig it out of here. We just like tomatoes. Just throw like tomatoes here in the next summer when I rototill this area. They'll pop up somewhere. Has cucumbers randomly pop up over here. Yeah. Just throw your veggies out in the garden before you rototill it and rearrange your garden. You're gonna have random pop-ups. And I like the taste of those better than a lot of the first plant seeds, first year seeds. All right.